50 sentences using the word over.
The plane flew over the mountains.
They argued over dinner last night.
She triumphed over her fears.
The bridge extends over the river.
He apologized over the phone.
We talked about it over coffee.
They celebrated their victory over the rival team.
She leaned over the railing to see better.
He read the book over the weekend.
The storm clouds gathered over the horizon.
We watched the sunset over the ocean.
They debated the issue over lunch.
She hung a painting over the fireplace.
He bent over to tie his shoelaces.
The cat jumped over the fence.
We drove over the old bridge.
They laughed over a funny joke.
She triumphed over adversity.
He lost his keys over the weekend.
The rainbow arched over the sky.
We skated over the frozen pond.
They argued over who should pay the bill.
She gazed at the stars over the desert.
He walked over to introduce himself.
The sunsets are stunning over the mountains.
We cooked dinner together over the campfire.
They sang songs around the bonfire over the weekend.
She leaned over the balcony to see the parade.
He won the game over his opponent.
The moon shone brightly over the city.
We chatted over the fence.
They hiked over the rugged terrain.
She painted a mural over the entire wall. He ran a marathon over the weekend.
The shadow cast over the street.
We bonded over our shared interests.
They watched a movie over the weekend.
She placed a blanket over the sleeping child.
He hovered over his computer, deep in thought.
The fog rolled in over the harbor.
We reminisced over old photographs.
They met over a blind date.
She stumbled over a rock in the path.
He spoke over the loudspeaker.
The plane soared over the clouds.
We sang songs over the campfire.
They huddled together over the campfire.
She spread a picnic blanket over the grass.
He glanced over his shoulder.
The ocean waves crashed over the shore.